Hey guys, what's going on? So, honestly, I'm not proud of what I did. You're already going to see the title of the video. You already know it's coming, but I gave back the profit on the day and I ended red on Friday, and it broke a rule. It broke the trailing loss limit, and the account had to be reset because it was locked out because I broke the rule. So, day one of the next eval, and I don't know, dude. Honestly, I was upset with myself for the day, but it's because I didn't have a rule in place, and I certainly didn't follow any common sense. That's for damn sure. I was up a certain amount. I need to, well, I not need to. I have a rule now, where if I'm up that much, so let's say $600 or more, I can only give back 2/3 or one half of risk on another trade. So $200. I think it's very smart to protect your gains as you make them. There's no way you should be giving up half or more or all of your profits on the day based on well, even systematic trades. I think there needs to be a rule in there to protect gains. So I decided I'm going to enact that. I must stop trading for the day if I give back a certain amount, or if I give back that amount. So what happened? It's a great question. The first trade, after being up on the day, was smaller size. I took a loss of like $100. It was nothing crazy. I think it was less than 100. It was like 80. And from there, it just spiraled out of control. My emotions started getting more and more triggered. I wanted to just be back to where I was up on the day because I had just connected with that amount. I don't know. I wanted to see that number again. It's really chimp retard shit, honestly, but that's what happened. And I took another trade full size after the smaller size one. That was a loss. And I'm not even sure if that was a systematic trade. I just kind of took it. And then obviously the one after that was not systematic, had more size, and then that got me back to break even on the day. And then from there, it was like, all right, let's just YOLO like what, 5 contracts or something, and just try to get back to where I was. At that point, like there's no, you're just hurting yourself if you make it back because there's no way that's profitable. There's no systematic way to explain what the hell you just did. It's so stupid. But the way out of that is managing your emotional triggers for sure, and by making rules.
Order working.
By making rules that you can put in place and then actually follow them, because trading is all about just managing your emotions as a human and putting things in place to get out of your own way, because ultimately that's how we fail, is we just succumb to our normal human emotions. It's normal human fear, all of that shit. So
Order filled.
I'm just trying to systematically trade today. I don't want to do anything stupid. I just want to try to make, well, I don't even want to try to make a certain amount of money. I want to trade like I usually do, which is systematic, badass, and just follow rules and make money over time. That's usually what I'm good at. It's just my vulnerable moments occasionally where I do stupid stuff. So I'm going to just try to not do that. And we're going to start by taking this short. Nice short setup here on the 5 minute. Honestly, not an hourly short, but if you look on SPX over here, um, we're coming into a very key area that I want to see fail to move lower. So this is a good spot to take it. The risk reward is good. 3 points risk. The reward is, how many points is that? 5 or 6. So it's 2 to 1. It's a pretty good trade. And when I take ES, I usually take 2. So yeah, NQ I was already working. Maybe I should have taken it on NQ. Because ES is just still going up. So I don't know. It's kind of bittersweet. It's kind of just like, it's frustrating. It just reminds me that my the things that are holding me back from consistently, well, technically I am consistently profitable over time, but the things that are holding me back from day trading and from really like taking off with my trading is that kind of shit. Not managing my emotions, getting upset, and frickin' just chimping, right? So it reminds me of that. It reminds me that I'm just a untamed animal on the inside, and with that comes shame and guilt and all this other crap that you have to navigate. And the quicker you can just get out of that and get back to systematic trading, whatever it is, like you gotta binge on McDonald's, you gotta fucking play a bunch of Diablo 4, whatever it is, just do it and just try to be a little gentle with yourself, because it's all good. We're all gonna make it. Especially
Order working.
Yeah, this short's starting to work.
Order cancelled.
Let me bring over SPX so you guys can see it. I gotta pay attention here. Bookmarks bar, turn that off. Bring it over here. So decent spot to long SPX would be right here. So I'm gonna try to get filled in, what is that? 2 more points? So like right here, where's that?
Order working.
This will be a nice short. Come on, come on.
Order filled.
Okay, so I got one of the 2 contracts out. 32.75 will
Order working.
woohoo.
Order working. Order cancelled.
Try to get another one out as we come down here. See, we're kind of bouncing off that area. That's alright. Got one contract out. Gonna kind of see what happens here. Maybe I get a reload. Ooh! See, NQ, bro. 50 point short. And that would have been it. Would have been done on the day there. That's sick. $15 minutes about to close. If we get back up into
order working
39.25, I'll put that contract back on.
Order filled.
Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put both of these now at 41.50.
Order cancelled. Order rejected. Order working.
Stop is right here. I don't want to give back too much there. Dang, looks like I should have taken both of them off. It's just ripping now. NQ's got a really good looking short here.
Order working.
I'm gonna put a order out. Let's see what happens. So I added one contract again, the one that I took off on ES, so now we're back to 2 short again. This looks like it's gonna get stopped. That's alright. That's okay. You know what I'm not gonna do is freak out.
Stop filled.
Wait, did I have 2 on or did I just have 1 on? Anyways, I'm out. I'm out of that now. Let's look for another trade here. So there's a long here down at 42. Maybe I'll get that. That'd be nice.
Order working. Order cancelled.
Cancel that short. I kind of want.
Order working.
Hello? Okay.
Order filled.
Nice. 2 contracts long, 10-point stop, so tighter risk on this one. I think we could get a nice bounce back up into 60. I'll take one off. I'll let the other one ride. Very systematic, normal trading. I'm not going to be affected by what happened. I'm going to try to just reset and trade normally here, you know? Oh yeah, SPX is trying to bounce off of this here. I hope that stop's not too tight. It might be. That is a reversal setup on SPX. ES is just hanging out, doing nothing really. This 5-minute candle, dang, we're really struggling with this price. Looks like I am going to get stopped out on that. Let's just see. Let's see what happens. Not going to get too jazzed either way. It's a great setup. Come on, SPX. Give me a little pop up into here. Don't have to die yet. What's the actual price? 41.75. Oof, we're going to head lower and stop me out. SPX, it's not even moving, and the NQ's just dying. Man, that sucks. I'm going to get stopped out. If I do, I'll just wait for the next best setup. We're going to get some good setups today. We always do. You just got to manage your emotions. It's like, it's not... This trading game is not too hard. It's mastering yourself that's hard. That's what I've noticed. Come on, bring us back up. Bring us back up. You know you want to. 5-minute candle closed. ES wants to take off. NQ's just being a boner, man. Let's go. The DOM is broken. Of course the DOM's broken. There we go. See how the price is just not refreshing? Excuse me. What is this? Like, I know where the price is, and I can see the price, but the... Oof. Here comes the stop.
Order cancelled.
There it is. There's the stop. Alright. We gotta just wait for the next spot to take it. And that is down at 103. Right? 102.75. Grab it again, 102.75. I'll get my order in at 105.
Order working.
See what happens. I still like it long, I just need to get a good price. SPX wants to come back down right into 99.25. What is that? 99.18. Ah, this is looking like
Order filled.
Oh shit, what happened here?
Order cancelled.
I had an order out on ES? What? 34? Okay, let's put in a stop.
Order working.
Let's see what happens here on NQ. A little bit more, a little bit more. One more point on SPX, which would give us, I think we'd get the fill here. It's only 10 points on NQ. That's not a lot. I'll take this one without confirmation. Ooh, come on. Little more, little more, little more. Little bit more. My order's already moved up a little bit. I don't necessarily want to do it again. Come on, don't tease me like this. Just go down, bro. Go down. Right into my order. Right into it. I'm about to just take it.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Alright. Now we're in the NQ trade. It looks like the ES trade is working. Let's check it out. Yeah, good fill on ES. Wow. Alright, so back to NQ. So we got the trade on finally. I'm just looking for the bounce, man. It feels like it's going to be a nice trade. We're coming up at the top of the hour. It wants to bounce. It's a great setup. It's like the best setup we've got. I think I could make the max daily amount in the one trade here. And I'm not trying to think about money. I'm just saying this is a really, really good setup. And I don't want to just sell it for 10 points right now. You always have to stop out and take the frickin' trade. I'm trying to do the math in my head of what I have to be up, and I think it's about $1,200. In terms of price, because this isn't just about money, I mean, we've got room all the way back up to at least 40, so we've got lots of room to be up what we want to be up, but this could still stop me out. It's kind of hard to manage both at once here. Oh yeah, we can make a new high a day on that. All right, let's go up. Up we go. There's another setup right here. Above us, we closed above that. Okay, so we're back to the entry. Back to the entry. It's tempting to add another one, but I'm not going to do that.
Order cancelled.
Ooh. Spicy. Looks like we have to go lower, man. I don't know what else to tell you. NQ's trying to find a bottom. I know it is. Right into...
Order filled.
Ooh, I just got it. I just got that trade. ES. Holding the setup. NQ popped into the lower setup. That was kind of sketch. But you got to stop out, man. You got to stop out and take the trade again. Now, this is the first day of the eval, so I'm like... I'm pushing it a little bit, but a great setup. Again, the very bottom, the setup was actually right here. I got it at a better price. The setup was at 91. I actually got it at 86. That's pretty good. So again, I'm looking for it to come back up into 30.
Order cancelled.
And if this one gets stopped out, then I think that'll have to be it. What am I down? So I was down like 600. Like I said, the first day of the evals, I'm typically a little... I usually have 2 contracts instead of 1 on NQ. Reclaiming the setup that I just took. Oh no, I just took a higher setup. What a sick entry there, eh? So I should have taken off. I guess I should have taken off 1 contract there. That would have been the prudent thing to do. But I thought we had hit the bottom. Right? I had thought that we had bottomed out there. What did I get filled at? 04, and we went up to 20. 15 points on... And if I had 2 and an ES, yeah, I probably should have taken 1 off. But I'm in this for the bounce. I'm in this for the bounce up into this area, 20 or 30, and I think we're going to get it. ES keeps getting bought up over and over and over and over. It wants to head higher. Like all these wicks, everyone's buying this, so I want to give this a shot to work up to the 5-minute 9, up until the hourly resistance, because it really is an hourly setup, bottom of the range. I don't want to just give it all up for just a quick bounce. I just want a little bit of follow through. On the first day of these evals, like I said, I'm willing to take a little bit more risk. There it is. So open the hour, bounce off the hourly setup, and then head higher. That would be pretty sick. This NQ alone is up 1,000. Why does this Dom keep doing this, man? I want to... Oh, yeah, lots of contracts bidding up NQ. Give me a nice pop.
Order working. Order cancelled. Order working. Order working.
The Dom, do you see that? The last price here. There it is. Now it's proper. Okay, so the hour opened. What are we going to do? We're going to dip into it. Now we're going to push. We haven't actually dipped into it yet. It's right here.
Order filled.
Sick. Freaking sick. ES. Well, ES I can actually just take off.
Order cancelled.
Okay. So, just like that, we're up. What are we up? The daily amount that we're allowed to be up. Very nice. We went from down... What did I do? I was up 400 to down 800 to, like, up 900. So... pretty decent trading. I think there was a little... I was pushing the size a little bit. Like, you guys saw, it was nothing too crazy. But, like, I wanted to catch this trade. And I took, like... on NQ, that was, like, 2 contracts. Now, I had a tighter stop. But, like, that was a little bit aggressive. I don't think I would do that on any day but the first day of an evaluation. So, glad you got to see that. You'll see the difference tomorrow. I might just go in and out of a contract here just to bring this down to 900, because if I don't bring it down to 900, I know this is stupid, but the evaluation only lets you, like, there's a consistency rule, so no day can be above 30% of the profit limit, which is, or the profit goal, which is 3,000. So if you make more than 900, it recalculates that and makes you make more money. So I might just bring that down to 900, just buying and selling a contract and just bringing it down. So glad you guys got to see that day. Pretty good trading. Pretty good trading. Kind of respected all the setups. It went a little higher because this is the actual short setup here at 80, and it went up to 14. And then it died, but caught the long. Nice couple trades on ES and NQ. Thanks for watching. Peace.